So hello students, welcome to Crack Grade B online learning platform. So today in this lecture we are going to discuss top 50 MCQs from economic and social issue. Am I audible? Can you please confirm? Am I audible? So let's start for today. Yes, good evening everyone. So screen is visible properly. Yes, good evening everyone. So first question is, we have taken the question from various sources. All reference websites have been used: PIB website, ministry website, budget document, economic survey document, or various reports. So first question for today, as per economic survey 2022-23, as per economic survey 2022-23, the livestock sector grew at a CAGR, compounded annual growth rate of what percent during 2014-15 to 2020-21. इकोनॉमिक सर्वे का जो चैप्टर है एग्रीकल्चर एंड फूड प्रोसेसिंग, फूड मैनेजमेंट, समथिंग चैप्टर का नाम है एग्रीकल्चर एंड फूड मैनेजमेंट. सो आई विल एडवाइज दोज हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर नाबार्ड देयर सेल्फ, और you should study that chapter. Complete chapter is important. So many questions sometime we can expect. Always they are asking 1-2 question from that agriculture point of view from economic survey, but sometime they can ask more question. So that chapter is very important. So let's try the answer for this. 10th October तक का कर लेना. As per economic survey 22-23, the livestock sector grew at a CAGR of, yes, tell me, anyone? Answer for this question if you have studied economic survey. So answer for this is 1 minute. 1 minute, there is some issue. So this is the answer for this question. As per economic survey, answer B, 7.9%. 7.9% is CAGR during 2014-15 to 2021, and its contribution to total agriculture GVA has increased from 24.3% to 30.1% in 2020-21. So this figure is also important. This data can also be asked in the exam, and this compound annual growth rate, this is also important. So economic survey is very important, so you have to take care of these facts. Next question. As per first revised estimate of the national income 2021-22 released by the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, the share of agriculture and allied sectors in total gross value added. This is also again important question. We have seen in the last previous exams of RBI, NABARD, agriculture GVA, this is the most important thing that is being asked in these exams. We have seen in this year also, while I was taking the session of GA, I told you that GVA of agriculture can be asked, and the same thing was happened. The GVA of agriculture was asked in the RBI Grade B GA questions. Yes, 18.97 is the right answer for this. This is the data. This is table taken from the PIB website. In 22-23, as on date, still 22-23 figures are not final. 18.42, 18.97 is for 21-22, and the share of manufacturing sector in total gross value added, total GVA, it is 14.7 is in 22-23 and 15.84 in 21-22. So I will also share the PDF in our Telegram channel. Later on you can revise. The per capita availability of milk is 444 gram per day during 21-22, increased by what gram per day as compared to the previous year? It is 444. Yes, it is 18.97. It is the right answer. Yes, 17 gram. Yes, it is right. It increased by the 17 gram per day, and total milk production during 21-22 is 221.06 million. So this data is again important, and this growth rate is, annual growth rate is 5.29%, and per capita availability of milk is 444 gram per day and increased by 17 gram per day over the previous year. So these are the important questions I have taken from various sources. Mainly reference websites are being used to prepare these questions. Which of the following is not true regarding AHIDF, Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund? So which of the following statement is not correct? Yes, interest subvention is 3%, not 2%. So interest subvention is 3% for this question. So this statement is only incorrect. In NABARD exam, generally they will ask one-liner question on the schemes part. Sometimes they can ask the multiple statement based question, but we cannot trust on IBPS because every year they are changing the pattern. As last year they focused more on the data fact based question. Earlier they were asking the simple question based on the schemes, but last year they asked more question based on the data, percentage, various facts. So statement based question can be asked, but as per the previous trend they generally ask simple questions from the schemes, mean direct one-liner type questions they were asking. So next is, as per the land use statistics, cropping intensity for 2019-20. Cropping intensity for 2019-20. What is cropping intensity? For 2019-20 I am asking. So it is 151.08%, and for 18-19 it was 141.6%. As these two are given in two different documents, means Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare annual report, they are still using 1819, but that document agriculture statistics at a glance for the India, our country's agriculture statistics at a glance, in that 2019-20 cropping intensity is given. So though both the facts are important, to 1819, 1920. So it depends on examiner what means, anyone he can ask. So this is the right answer. For 2019-20 is 2019-20 it is 151, and for 1819 141. So easy to remember. Next question, it is the ratio of total crop area to the net area shown. Once this question was asked in the NABARD exam, once this, yes, 151 is as per the agri statistics, means agriculture at a glance document is there, the Directorate of Economics and Statistics. It is the ratio of total crop area to the net area shown. Cropping intensity, it is the easy question, and once it was asked in the NABARD Grade A exam, so this is again important. As per economic survey, the annual average growth rate of fisheries sector has been about 7% since 2016-17 and has a share of about what percent in total agriculture GVA? Total agriculture GVA. What percent share in total agriculture GVA? Yes, anyone? 7C. 8.4%. Let's see the answer. Answer is B. It is 6.7% in total agriculture GVA in 2020-21. So I was asking for 2020-21 with reference to economic survey. I have taken this data from the economic survey only. Next question, which of the following is not a target under Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana? Increasing fish production of to 20 million metric ton by 24-25, enhancing aquaculture productivity to 5 ton per hectare from the current national average of 3 ton, augmenting domestic fish consumption from 5 kg to 12 kg per capita, increasing contribution to fishery sector to the agriculture GVA to about 9% by 24-25, reduction of post-harvest losses from the reported 20-25% to about 5%. So an individual question can be asked on these facts also. So which of the following is incorrect? Yes, E is incorrect. What will be there? It is 10%, not 5%. Reduction of post-harvest losses from the reported 20-25% to 5%. Yes, this is the only thing. Answer is E. It will be 10%, not 5%. Next question. As per 20th livestock census, share of rural livestock population in the total livestock population. As per 20th livestock census, share of rural livestock population in total population of livestock. E. Yes, maximum maximum are being maximum livestock population belong to the rural areas only. So let's see the answer. So this is E, 95.78%. So total livestock population, this can also be asked. It is 536.76 million in the country, showing an increase of 4.8% over last census. Total livestock population in the rural and urban area is this and this, with share of 95.78% for rural area, 95.7% of rural area, 4.22% for the urban area. In 20th livestock census, highest population is of cattle, followed by the goat. So sometime it can also be asked that which of the following animal has the highest population in as per the 20th livestock in the country. Donkey and camel population in decreased as compared to the previous. So it can also be asked which of the following animal population has decreased as compared to the last livestock census. So next question, as per the population census 2011, percentage share of agriculture workers, cultivators and agriculture labor in total workforce. This is an easy question. Last year it was asked. Last year in NABARD Grade A exam this question was asked. So 54.6% is the right answer for this question. So some more facts are there. Total number of cultivators as per census is 118.8 million. Total number of agriculture laborers 144.3 million. And percentage share of agriculture workers, cultivators and agriculture laborers in total workforce of the country is 54.6%. So these are the important facts. Next question, the share of agriculture export in India's total merchandise export was 11. इसका आंसर ही मैंने लिख दिया क्वेश्चन में गलती से. सो 11.9% था 21-22 में, यहाँ पे गलती से आंसर ही लिखा गया. द शेयर ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर एक्सपोर्ट इन इंडियाज टोटल एक्सपोर्ट वाज 11.9%. सो इट इज ऑल्सो एन इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्ट. Next question, which of the following is not among top 5 exported agriculture commodities? Which of the following is not among top 5 exported agriculture commodities? Marine products, non-basmati rice, wheat and sugar. Which of the following is not among top 5? C is not right answer. Yes, wheat. Wheat is the right answer for this question. Wheat is the right answer for this question. These are top 5 agriculture commodities. First is marine product, rice other than basmati means non-basmati. Sugar, spices, and fifth is basmati rice. Wheat is not among top 5 commodities which are being exported. So next question, as per economic survey 22-23, the Indian agriculture sector has been growing at an average annual growth rate of what percent during the last 6 years? One question you will definitely find from the economic survey in exam. 13th C. Let's see. 13th C is the right answer. Agriculture sector has been growing at an average growth rate of 4.6%. What is the growth rate for 22-23? Anyone can guess what is annual growth rate for agriculture sector for 2022-23 as per the NSO? Any guess? Yes, it is 4%. Yes, Rohit, it is the right answer. It is 4%. Next question. The term decacorn, unicorn, you have listened many times or you are reading in newspapers many times. So the term decacorn refers to a startup with the valuation of what amount or more? It is 1 billion, 2 billion, 5 billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. Yes, it is 10 billion. It is 10 billion. And for unicorn, it is 1 billion. Next question. The number of KVK has risen to, as on date, the number of KVK, कृषि विकास केंद्राल. KVK. Yes, it is right answer. 15th question, 731. First KVK was established in 1974 at Puducherry. As per KVK website, the number of KVK has risen to 731. PIB पे एक जगह 732 भी मेंशन है, बट जो रेफरेंस वेबसाइट KVK की वेबसाइट पे 730 मेंशन किया हुआ है. It is 100% financed by the government of India, and KVKs are sanctioned to agriculture universities, ICR, institute, relative government department and non-government organizations. One more important question. The share of gross capital formation, GCF, gross capital formation in agriculture and allied sector in the gross capital formation of economy at constant prices. लास्ट टाइम ग्रोस कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर से रिलेटेड एक क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था नाबार्ड में. सो सेम दिस ईयर दे कैन आस्क. सो आई विल शो द आंसर. इट इज 7%. There are two type of data. One is gross capital formation in agriculture sector in total GVA of economy. Two prices are there, constant and current. Though both are approximate equal, so you can easily cram. And share of GCF in total GCF economy. Though two types of data are there. One is share of GCF in agriculture and allied sector in GVA of economy. That is 2.56 and 2.6, and share of GSF of agriculture sector in total GSF of economy. So that is 7 and 8%. So this can also be asked, or this can be asked. Last year one of these two one question was asked from these I think share of GCF in agriculture sector in total GVA of economy was asked last year. So such data is important. That, and last time also I discussed the same GCF of economy in most important MCQs tab. Cropping intensity, economic surveys, GDP related, GVA related various facts. Last time also I discussed in most important MCQs, and they were asked in the exam. As per the provisional estimate of national income and expenditure components of GDP 22-23, GVA at basic price for 22-23 is. What is the GVA for 22-23? Always there is a research behind the questions. Based on the analysis, what type of question they can ask, what pattern IBPS is following on other exams, RBI, other banking exams, general awareness. So based on that we prepare the question. And GVA, I think it is 7.2%, I think. Okay, yes, it is 7%. GDP is 7.2. GDP is 7.2. Export share in GDP is 23.5% for 22-23. Import share is 25.6%. Again, this is important data. GVA is 7% and GDP at constant prices. And more figures you must know. GDP as GDP projection of economic survey, RBI, and in budget also GDP projection was given. So these all facts you must know, you must cram. This can be asked in the exam. Next question. What is the percentage share of service sector in the GVA of country in 2021-22? These GDP related, GVA related questions are always the favorite question of IBPS. Latest example, when I was taking GS session, I told that agriculture GVA question will be asked, can be asked, and that was from February 2023. The question was took from the PIB website from 2023, February 2023. It was asked in the July. So always GVA related, GDP related questions are always important. Specifically economic survey, NSO and budget. So what is the percentage here? 54.5, 18C. Let's see. I have asked for 21-22. It is 52.5%. And for 22-23, it is 54.5%. 4%. 54.5 or 51. So these are the facts for 22-23 and 21-22. For both the year I have mentioned. Sometimes as we have seen in the NABARD exam, they have asked for 21-22, means 1 year back. They have asked many times. Which of the following state has the highest area covered under micro irrigation? As on 31st March 2022 data we have. Which of the following state has the highest area covered under micro irrigation? 3 questions you have to answer. First is the micro irrigation. Second is sprinkler irrigation and drip irrigation. These 3 you have to reply. First one for micro irrigation, then which state is has the highest area covered under sprinkler irrigation and drip irrigation? Any guess? Sprinkler, Rajasthan. Yes. Overall, let's see answer. In percentage area is Sikkim. We are not taking the percentage area, we are taking the total area, means drip irrigation Maharashtra. So let's see the answer. It is Karnataka. Karnataka is has the highest area in micro irrigation, but if we talk about sprinkler irrigation, it is Rajasthan. In drip irrigation, Maharashtra. I have taken these facts from the agriculture statistics at glance for 2022. I think it is there in on the website of Directorate of Economics and Statistics. Next question. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs chaired by the Honorable Prime Minister Modi has approved the increase in the minimum support price for all mandated kharif crops for the marketing season 23-24. The expected margin to farmers over their cost of production are estimated to be highest in case of which crop? Means the increase, the margin over the cost is the highest in case of which? Yes. Yes, Bajra is the right answer. Yes, Bajra is the right answer for this. Actually, in past year we have seen they have asked question on the MSP. So MSP directly, MSP they have asked many times, MSP formula, what are the components under MSP, many times they have asked. But we have seen that always change the question pattern, they are changing the pattern of the question. So we can expect this type of questions also, that which crop has the highest margin. Means next question. As per third advance estimate for 22-23, Total food grain production in the country is estimated at record 3,305.34 lakh tons or 330.5 million tons we can say, which is higher by as compared to the previous year 21-22. मीन्स लास्ट ईयर से कितना हाई है? एनी गेस? क्योंकि देखो सीधे क्वेश्चंस पूछते आए हैं वो लोग, मीन्स आईबीपीएस ने अब देखा हमेशा क्वेश्चन पूछने का स्टाइल चेंज कर रहे हैं, तो डायरेक्ट नहीं पूछेगा कि कितना फूड ग्रेन प्रोडक्शन है. समटाइम्स दे कैन आस्क सिंपल क्वेश्चन आल्सो, बट there are less chances they will ask the direct question. They will ask something different. So 330.5, everyone will be reading this data. It is 22.32. I think it is C. Answer is C. This bajra 82%, followed by tur and soybean 52%. These are the top, means 4 crops. Next was this. So 149.18 lakh metric ton, and other facts are there. Total production of rice 135.5 million ton we can say, 112 for the wheat. So these facts you can cram. And production of cotton, suppose they can ask that one bale of cotton how much kg, they can ask for the jute also, that 180 kg. For cotton it is 170 kg. Next question, India's horticulture output is likely to have, and one more thing they can ask in this question, 21st question, I will tell you to read that one also. Kharif and Rabi breakup is also given in that PDF which is being released by the ministry. So they can ask also this question, that what was the Kharif production in the Kharif crop food production, and Rabi crop they can ask. So these data is also important because they are changing the pattern of the question. So such data is also important. India's horticulture output is likely to have reached a record what million ton in the current crop year to July 22 to June 23, as production of fruit, vegetable, spices, plantation crops increased significantly. Yes, it is 350.87. It is 350.87. Last year it was 314.70.18. Vegetable, it is 212.3 million ton, and fruits 107.75 metric ton, and the area under horticulture has been rising and reached 28.28 million hectares in 22-23. Again important fact, this is also again important fact. Area, it is 28.05 was last year million hectares. This year 22-23 it is 28.28 million hectare. Highest horticulture production area wise and quantity wise in Uttar Pradesh, followed by the Madhya Pradesh and West Bengal. Highest fruit production area wise and quantity wise in Maharashtra, followed by Uttar Pradesh. Highest vegetable production quantity wise in Uttar Pradesh. Highest vegetable production area wise, that is in West Bengal. So most likely they will ask in terms of the quantity, very less chance they will ask for the area wise. So highest vegetable production quantity wise in Uttar Pradesh, highest food production is in Maharashtra, and highest horticulture production in Uttar Pradesh. So these are the important facts. Which of the following state is the largest producer of inland fish? उत्तर प्रदेश, आंध्र प्रदेश, वेस्ट बंगाल, महाराष्ट्र, तेलंगाना। 23rd B, Andhra Pradesh. Which of the following state is the largest? I think it is correct. Andhra is the largest producer of fish. Andhra Pradesh is the largest fish producer also in India. Andhra Pradesh is the largest inland fish producer, and Gujarat is the largest marine fish producer. Yes, total fruits note. Andhra Pradesh is not right answer. Andhra Pradesh is not right answer. I have prepared this data very carefully, so very less chance there is any error. Which of the following state has the highest share in agriculture loan disbursed in 22-23? Which of the following state has the highest share in agriculture loan disbursed in 22-23? 24D, Maharashtra. Any other candidate? Any guess? Yes, Tamil Nadu is the right answer for this question. Tamil Nadu has the highest share. Tamil Nadu has the highest share in agriculture loan. Southern region also, in region wise, if you talk about region wise, southern region has the highest share, and as on 31st December, Uttar Pradesh has the highest number of operative Kisan credit cards. So this is again an important fact. As on 31st December 2022, which state has the highest operative Kisan credit card? That is Uttar Pradesh. Again, Kisan credit card is very important for this exam. PSL guidelines, interest subvention scheme, and RIDF related facts. How many sectors are being covered currently under this RIDF? How many different category of projects are there under RIDF? Any guess? How many categories, different categories of projects? Yes, it is 39. 39 is the correct answer. In India, which of the following crop has the highest percentage share of area to gross cropped area? It is 39. 39 different project categories are there under RIDF. In India, which of the following crop has the highest percentage share of area to the gross cropped area? Means कौन सी फसल इंडिया में सबसे ज्यादा उगाई जाती है? RIDF का लोन अमाउंट भी जो 23-24 के लिए एक टारगेट किया होगा नाबार्ड ने, दैट इज आल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट. आई थिंक लास्ट ईयर इट वाज आस्क्ड 23-24 के लिए जो लोन अमाउंट है, लोन अमाउंट टारगेटेड बाय द नाबार्ड, दैट इज आल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट. What was disbursed in 21-22 agriculture credit as per the budget estimates, that is 20 lakh crore. What was the last year? 18.5 lakh crore. What was the achievement? So these are the most important facts. Yes. Which of the following crop is the highest? It is easy question. I think yes, it is 40,000 crore. Rice is the right answer. Next question. As per the agriculture census 2015-16, small farmer are those farmers who have the operational holding. It is an easy question. RIDF figure is given in the NABARD annual report MCQs. You can check. As per the agriculture census, we have given in the NABARD annual report MCQs also, and NABARD annual report document in the course. So these all categories you must know as per the agriculture census. These are 5 categories. Marginal below 1 hectare. Always one question they are asking. Always one question they are asking from these categories. So these are the important. It is easy also. Marginal small 1 to 2, semi-medium 2 to 4, 4 to 10 hectare, they have medium category, and large 10 hectare and above. As per Agriculture Census 2025-16, small farmer constituted what percent of the total holdings? In 2015-16, small farmers का कितना होल्डिंग है टोटल में? हाईएस्ट है, हाईएस्ट marginal, it is 17.62 for the small farmers. Yes, it is right answer. Marginal farmers का percentage holding है highest, that is 68%, small का 17%. So this can also be asked, what is the percentage holding for the marginal farmers? That is 68.4%. And other important facts are there. The small marginal holdings taken together constitute 86%. Total number of operational holdings increased by 5.86%. That is total is 146.5 million in 2015-16. Uttar Pradesh has the highest number of operational holdings. Average size of operational holding declined to 1.08 hectare in. So these are the important facts. Next question, very important question, likely to be asked. As per Agriculture Census 2015-16, the percentage share of female operational holder has increased from 12.79% in 2010-11 to what percent? What percent in 2015-16? Actually, whenever they are asking question, generally whenever you are studying any data, any fact, if there is a data related to female, that most likely to be asked in the exam. If there is any data related to SC/ST minority section, that likely to be asked. So give more focus on the female related data and SC/ST minorities related data, tribal related data, anything is there. So these things are being asked more. Health related data, if any news you are studying, health related any schemes or any data is there, that likely to be asked. Education related, if it is there, then likely to be asked. So it is 13.96%. Some definitions are also there, you can study from this PDF. I already uploaded these questions. I've already been uploaded under those 200 questions which I have uploaded in the paid courses. As per the situation assessment survey of agriculture household, percentage of indebited agriculture household. What is the percentage of indebited agriculture household? Means जिन्होंने लोन लिया है किसी भी तरह का. I will check it where it is. I will check revision notes of PIB is not there. I will check. So 50.2%. 50.2% of the agriculture household were indebted, means they have taken any type of loan. So these are the other important data. Total agriculture household out of total rural household are 54%. Out of these agriculture household, 50% are indebted. Average monthly income per agriculture household is 10,218. Average amount of outstanding loan per agriculture household was 74,121. Uttar Pradesh has the highest indebted agriculture household. So these are the most important. Yes, these questions are taken from there only. I have not prepared. I have not created these questions separately. These are already there. I will cross check once again total fruit production in Andhra Pradesh. I will cross check that question once again. And this data is from the 77th round of survey that was organized by National Statistical Office, and agriculture household, they have given a definition for the agriculture household as a household receiving more than 4,000 as value of produce from agriculture activities. 4,000 as value of produce from agriculture, if they are getting, they will be considered as agriculture household. Fruit production, I will check what is there. I think I have taken from other PDF. Latest figures I have taken from the website only. I have not taken the agriculture statistics at a glance. Latest I have taken for 22-23 I have taken, and this data is available on Directorate of Economics, I think National Horticulture Board website, or some any other website I have taken. I have not taken from this data of fruit production and vegetable production from agriculture statistics at a glance. Latest I am referring 22-23, not 21-22. In 21-22 it was Andhra Pradesh. For 22-23 latest I am referring. Yes, it is 4,000, not 5,000. Which of the following country is the largest producer of sugarcane? ESI MCQs are there. Financial, this answer I have shown. This which of the following country is the largest producer of sugarcane? India, South Africa, Russia, Brazil, USA. So Brazil is the largest producer of sugarcane, followed by India. China is the largest producer of paddy rice, followed by India. India is second in wheat production, groundnut production, and India is sixth largest producer of maize, makkah, and India is the largest producer of pulses. So these are again important facts. What is the percentage of population below poverty line of country based on the methodology suggested by the expert group on methodology of estimation of poverty chaired by Dr. Suresh T. Tendulkar? Yes, tell. What is the percentage population below poverty line? Yes, it is 21.9%. Official poverty line of India is, it is considered. Tendulkar committee's recommendation are accepted, and which are being followed. So for rural area it was 25.4%, 13.7% for urban population. Chhattisgarh followed by the Jharkhand as the highest percentage population below poverty line. Tendulkar committee given the following recommendations: calories per day 2400. In urban areas it was 2100, and rural poverty line was 27 rupees per month per day and 33 rupees per day for the urban areas. These were the poverty lines. International poverty line that has been changed. Earlier it was 1.90 US dollar and now it is 2.15 dollar. 2.15. It in actual it is not changed. It is this dollar value, means in triple P terms, if we purchasing power parity, that concept of economy, in that case it is equivalent to 1.9, means we can say that the good which we can purchase in $1.9 in 2017, now we can purchase in $2.15. What percent FDI is allowed in plantation of coconut? 26%, 49%, 74%, 100%, or FDI is not allowed? Just tell me what percent of FDI is allowed in plantation of coconut? 100%. E, not allowed. Yes, it is not allowed in plantation of coconut. 100% through automatic route FDI allowed in following plantation sector: tea sector including tea plantation, coffee plantation, rubber plantation, cardamom, palm oil tree, olive oil, and rest in any other plantation. FDI is not allowed in any plantation activity. Last time also discussed about the agriculture sector FDI related facts, and the question was asked in the exam. Yes, I discussed in the most important MCQs, and it was asked in the exam also last year. And some more facts are there. Floriculture, horticulture and cultivation of vegetable and mushroom under controlled condition. Development and production of seed and planting material, animal husbandry including breeding of dog, fish culture, aquaculture, apiculture, 100% automatic. Service related to the agro and allied sector, 100%. Beside the above, FDI is not allowed. Under food processing sector, what is the percent as FDI is allowed under food processing sector? Any guess? That is also an important fact. What is the percentage FDI allowed in food processing sector? Yes, it is 100%. So percent FDI is permitted under the automatic route in food processing sector, and 100% FDI under government approval route is allowed for retail trading. If you are food packaging, retail trading, if you are doing the retail trading for the food items, processed items of food, so that in that government approval route is required, but in food processing sector it is 100% automatic. Next question. In export of India, which of the following commodity has the largest share? Petroleum products, pearl, precious, semi-precious stones, drug formulation, biological, iron, steel, gold and other precious metal and jewelry. Petroleum products. So petroleum products is the right answer. These are the 5. Petroleum products, pearl, precious stones, drug formulation, biologicals, iron, steel, telecom, instruments. These are the top 5 export products. Petroleum has the largest share I asked. So next question. Which of the following country is the top contributor in FDI of India during 22-23? During 22-23. Singapore. और अगर हम if we talk about the total FDI means शुरू से लेके आज तक from starting to till today, means if we consider the previous year also like 21, 22, 29, which country has the largest share in that case? In 22-23 it was Singapore, and but if we talk about the all total cumulative, means if we consider the previous years also, then it is Mauritius. But for 22-23 it is, and India's overall export grew at export related data is also important. Export import data is very important, so you have to take care of these data. Service export were highest, means largest share in service exports, software exports. So this I think in RBI GA it was asked. Software export has the largest share in service export. Percentage of share in export, top 5 state. Gujarat has the highest share in exports. Jamnagar district of the Gujarat has the highest share in the export. These are the important facts. Which of the following countries is the top contributor in FDI of India during 22-23? It is Singapore. Top 5 countries are Singapore, Mauritius, USA, Netherlands, Japan. And major destination in 22-23 was the UK, Singapore. So UK was the major destination. So next question, which of the following sector attracts highest FDI to India during 22-23? Which of the following sector? Yes, any guess? Computer, software, hardware, service sector, trading, telecommunication, automobile industry. I think it is computer, software and hardware. This sector, top three sectors are computer, software and hardware, service sector, finance, banking, insurance, like this, and trading. These three are the top three sectors which attract the FDI. Top 5 state attracting highest FDI equity inflow. Maharashtra has the highest share, means attracting the FDI. So Maharashtra, Karnataka, Delhi, these top three states. And if we talk about 2000 से लेके 23 तक FDI इक्विटी फ्लो हमारा हुआ है 634 बिलियन, बट मॉरिशस का हाईएस्ट रहा है. अगर हम 2000 से लेके 23 तक बात करें, सर्विस सेक्टर में सबसे ज्यादा हाईएस्ट FDI आई है. टॉप स्टेट महाराष्ट्र है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, India's agriculture export was what amount in financial year 23? Higher by 5.8% over 22. अगर आपको लास्ट ईयर का पता है तो इंक्रीज हायर बाय 5.8%. You can easily guess. It is 52.5 billion. It is 52.5 billion. That is the right answer. 52.5 billion. Last year it was 50 billion approximate, and highest rice 11 billion, marine products 8 billion. We have already discussed this. As on August 23, what percentage are female beneficiaries under Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana scheme? What percent female beneficiaries are there under Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana? Approximate. Yes, let's see the answer. 55.6 approximate, 27.8 crore, and 66.7% total are in rural and semi-urban area. Total RuPay card issued 33 crores, and total accounts are more than 50 crore, has crossed 50 crore, and deposit in this account are 2.03 lakh crore. Average balance is 4,076. This is also again Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. An important fact, as on what is the rate of participation of women percentage out of the total in percentage under MG Narega scheme? Last year also discussed this question related to the female share in total percentage out, and same question was asked in the NABARD exam. So what is the percentage for women? Let's see. Yes, last year also I discussed in the most important MCQs, and same it was asked in the exam. It is D. Women percentage out for total 57%. Kerala has the highest share. SC percentage out 19.23%. For ST it is 18%. Percentage payment generated within 15 days. मीन्स रूल है ना, एमजी नरेगा स्कीम की गाइडलाइन है कि 15 डेज में पेमेंट भी करनी है, तो वो 92.5% केसेस पे 92.5% टोटल पेमेंट में से वो 15 डेज के अंदर अंदर पे कर दी गई है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द ग्रोस IGST रेवेन्यू कलेक्टेड इन द मंथ ऑफ सितंबर 2023 इज. इस तरह के क्वेश्चन भी पूछे जाते हैं काफी बार. IGST collection, gross IGST collection, it is 83,623 crore. CGST is 29,000 crore approximate, SGST 37,000 crore, and IGST is 83,000 crore in September 23. ठीक है, और एनुअल डेटा भी देख लेना, एनुअल डेटा इज हेयर. GST collection for 22-23 we stood at 13.82 lakh crore, 7% higher than earlier. The average gross monthly collection for the year 22-23 was 1.5 lakh crore, and monthly GST revenue collection exceed 1.54 lakh crore for 12 months in a row. Means मंथली कलेक्शन था वो 1.4 लाख से ज़्यादा था पूरे 12 मंथ्स में. तो एवरेज कलेक्शन था मंथली वो 1.51 लाख, टोटल था 13.8 लाख करोड़, 7.2% हायर देन 21-22. So these annual figures are also important. As per the state of food security and nutrition in the world, the number of undernourished people in India declined to 40C, it is 208 point. As per the state of food security and nutrition in the world, so let's see the answer. It is D, declined to 233.9 million, declined to 233.9 million. So some important facts they have: India had a stunting rate of 31.7%. 18.17% children are affected by fasting. India had an overweight percentage of 2.8%. Healthy diet, 74% of Indians could not afford a healthy diet, and anemic woman ratio was 53%, and prevalence of exclusive breastfeeding, it was 63%. The above data is taken from the report. One more report was there, joint child malnutrition estimate. If this report is being referred, then same data is used in that report also. If in question this report is referred, joint child malnutrition estimate, so same data, same answer will be there. As per the recent report of National Family Health Survey 5, stunting in children has reduced from 38.4% to what percent? As per National Family Health Survey 5, stunting in children has reduced from 38.4% to what percent? National Family Health Survey 5, there is a lot of data, in that report, but some of the facts are important. Last time also I was discussing most important MCQs, so 4-5 facts I discussed during that session also, and one question was asked. So let's see. It is 35.5%, 35.5%, and fasting has 19.3%, and underweight prevalence 32.1%. This is again important fact. So this is important data of NFHS, National Family Health Survey. As per the Global Multidimensional Poverty Index 23 in India, how many poor people moved out of poverty from 2005-06 to 2019 to 2021? How many poor people moved out of the poverty? 42C, 415 million. Yes, 415 million. Yes, it is the right answer. इंडिया में टोटल वर्थ 645 million, 415 million moved out of the poverty during this time period. Now it stands 230 million. 230 millions are there. And this global hunger index, India ranks 107 out of 121 countries, and this report is jointly published by the Concern Worldwide and the World Hunger. So this is also again important fact. Global Hunger Index, India's rank is 107. As per the SRS Sample Registration Survey 2020's India's infant mortality rate. What is India's infant mortality rate? What is India's infant mortality rate? It's 43C 28. So let's see the answer is C 28. So this report is also important, sample registration survey. So various rates are there: total fertility rate, neonatal mortality rate, infant under 5, and 82.6% live birth mothers have received the medical attention, and some other figures are there of this maternal mortality rate ratio in the country, that is 97. This is again important, 97. It has declined to 97. As per our health policy, it was targeted to make it less than 100. So national health policy का target था कि इसको 100 से कम लेके जाया जाए, तो 97 पे आ गया है. ये भी बहुत important fact है. और जो SDG का टारगेट है उसमें है 70 पर 1 लाख लाइव बर्थ, तो 70 से कम लेके आना है अगर आपको सस्टेनेबल SDG का टारगेट अचीव करना है by 2030. So next question is, as per the Human Development Report, India has been ranked in Gender Inequality Index. What is India's rank in the Gender Inequality Index? Human Development Index ranking was 132. It is not answer. 132 is the HDI ranking. 132 is the HDI, Human Development Index. In this but we are referring Gender Inequality Index. That is a part of this report only. That is the part of this report. There are many indexes being released by released under this report. So what is the India's rank? So let's see that report. It is 122nd. 122nd is Gender Inequality Index. Inequality Adjusted Human Development Index, India ranked 134. Gender Inequality Index 122, and one more index they have released this year, Planetary Pressures Adjusted, by adjusting the climate effect. Then India stand 126th rank. So these are the part of that report only. So generally they will not ask question on the HDI. They can ask the global this Gender Inequality Index and other index. Next question. According to the World Bank Logistic Performance Index, India ranked. What is the rank of India in the World Bank Logistic Index? It is easy question. Yes, it is 38th rank. Yes, it is the right answer. 38th rank. India's ranked 38 among the 139 nation. India excelled in the areas of logistic competence, quality and timeless. India did poorly in the custom. Singapore had the best score. So this is again important question for the GA. According to the 5th State Food Safety Index, which of the following state has secured the top ranking among largest states? State Food Safety Index. Which state has secured the Kerala, followed by the Punjab and Tamil? Yes, again State Food Safety Index is the important. So among the largest state, Kerala secured the top ranking. Among the smaller state, Goa, additionally Jammu Kashmir secured the first among UTs, Union Territories. So next question, according to the first water body census, which of the following state is the leading state of water conservation schemes? Which state is the leading state in the water conservation schemes? As per the India's first water body census, this is very important census. So Maharashtra is the right answer for this. Maharashtra is the right answer. These facts you can read from this PDF. Department of Water Resources, Ministry of Jal Shakti has conducted this first census. West Bengal has highest number of pond and reservoirs. According to the ministry, 2.4 million water bodies in the country, and maximum are in rural areas. The 5 states which has the highest percentage, first is the West Bengal, and ponds are the highest in these water bodies. Share of pond has the highest share, and Maharashtra has the largest share in this water conservation schemes. State Energy Efficiency Index you can also study, and Export Preparedness Index also you can study under this PDF, that is important. Niti Aayog released the National Multidimensional Poverty Index in terms of the number of MPI poor. Which of the following state has the highest multidimensional poor? Which state has the highest? Yes. ये एक्सपोर्ट प्रिपेयरनेस इंडेक्स, स्टेट एनर्जी एफिशिएंसी इंडेक्स, ये भी पढ़ लेना. एंड दिस उत्तर प्रदेश टॉप द लिस्ट, followed by the Bihar. Bihar has the high. If we talk about the total number, then Uttar Pradesh is the highest. If we talk about the percentage in terms of total population, then Bihar is the highest. Bihar has the highest, and this is facts. 135.5 million persons have exited poverty between 1516 to 1921, and these are the SDG target. So these are the important facts. As per the Global Gender Gap Report, what is India's rank in the political empowerment? What is the rank of India's? Yes, in percentage of total population, Bihar is the topper. But in total number of poor, then Uttar Pradesh. As per Global Gender Gap, India's rank in political empowerment, India's rank is 135 to 126 in 2023. So India's rank is 127 in 2023, and in health India's rank is 142, and we have parity 95%, 142 in economic participation, 26 in education, 59 in political empowerment. 59 in political empowerment. These are again important facts. Next question. First edition of State Ranking Index of National Food Security Act released by the Department of Food and Public Distribution, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Which state has topped the index? Which state has topped the index of this National Food Security Act ranking? That is Assam. No. 50 question 50. Answer. It is Odisha. It is Odisha. Here I have written it wrong. It is Odisha. Answer B. Odisha has topped. Tripura topper in among special category states. Goa is the worst performer. State startup ranking you can study. And agriculture credit target for 2023-24 has been fixed at 20 lakh crore. In the budget it has been fixed 20 lakh crore, out of which highest disbursement target is for commercial bank, rural cooperative banks, regional rural banks, urban cooperative banks, या local area banks. Which of the following has the highest share, means target? So these are the commercial bank. Commercial bank is the highest target. So these are the facts. During 22-23, 1.7 lakh crore was disbursed. 18.5 lakh crore was the target in the last budget. This year it is 20 lakh crore. Highest disbursement by the commercial bank, then rural cooperative banks, then RRBs. As per 23-24, in line with the motto of Shakar Se Samriddhi, cooperation with prosperity, competition of 63,000 primary agriculture credit societies is aimed at with the investment of 2,516 crores. So these are this is again from the budget, that very important question. So budget I will advise you specifically to cram the fact. Any important data is there related to the agriculture sector, rural sector, health sector. These are the very important. MSME related, anything cooperative related, these things, and fiscal deficit related to the country, and state related fiscal deficit, revenue deficit. These are the questions which will be targeted. Schemes like Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi, Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, MG Narega, Jal Jeevan Mission. These schemes are allocations are very important. So you have to take care of these things. India rebranded nutrient-rich millets as nutritials and declared the year as the National Year of Millet. This year is International Year of Millet 2023. But I am asking, yes, many of you will, what they will do, they will see the 23 is there. So you will mark 23. 23 is the wrong. I have written here National Year of Millet, not International Year of Millet. 23 is International Year of Millet. So National Year of Millet was 2018. National Year of Millet was 2018. India declared it National Year of Millet. Now this year it is International Year of Millet. So while answering the question, you have to take care of this thing. Always that first read the question carefully, then answer what is being asked, what they have asked. So that mistake generally students make during the exam also. They will not study the question properly and will attempt some questions wrong. So I will advise to all, read question carefully, then attempt. So these were 53 questions. So today done with these questions. So all those who are not yet, means those who are not confident, so I will advise you to the 3 months PIB. Do it thoroughly, means very important. Schemes, I have given a list. So I have given a list of important ministry in today's telegram, so you can do from there. Budget, I have told you that these topics which I have discussed in this session, I have told you this agriculture, cooperative related, rural development related, anything is there, MSME related is there, anything, farmer related, agriculture, rural development, cooperatives, health, education related, if anything is mentioned, that is important in the budget. Schemes of these flagship scheme, प्रधानमंत्री कृषि सिंचाई योजना, किसान सम्मान निधि, मनरेगा, जल जीवन, प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना, these schemes are very important. Economic survey, specifically if you are, you can do the PIB highlights, otherwise that agriculture related chapter is there, one specific chapter, do that detailed chapter if you are studying yourself. And in our course we have uploaded the notes, so revise these 3 months PIB. I have uploaded in the course also some 2 months revision notes we have uploaded, that around 30-40 pages you can easily revise. And September PIB we will upload, means September revision notes we will upload tomorrow. And schemes, I have given a list of important schemes. From that list you can do that only schemes of those ministries which I have mentioned in the telegram today, specifically agriculture and farmer welfare, fisheries and animal husbandries, cooperatives, rural development, Jal Shakti, MSME, tribal affairs is very important, tribal affairs, and Ministry of Finance is very important. These ministries are very important, so you cover these. New and renewable energy, specifically green hydrogen mission life, some other schemes are there which are recently launched. So these things you have to study at least for the ESI. You can easily score if you are covering these things. Report, mostly report I have covered in top 200 MCQs, so no need to focus more on the report section. 50 more MCQs I will be uploading, in that remaining report will be covered. So don't go for the report section, and cover national financial inclusion chapter if you are studying yourself, or those who are following our notes. MCQs on financial inclusion chapter is uploaded under ESI MCQs. Do that, do not skip at all. Specifically this PSL, priority sector lending, Kisan credit card, interest subvention scheme, national rural livelihood mission schemes, these are very important topics. Agri specific PDF we have uploaded in the course, so that you can do. Okay, I will do that. Last 3 months of circulars for important for NABARD. So these topics are very important for this exam, and this is enough for ESI part. Economic survey, you can do that agriculture chapter from our PDF in course, or those who are studying yourself, so you can refer the original document if you want to do. So budget is more important, do not skip. So thank you for today, and I will try to take one more session also, but complete 250, 300, whatever will be the question, total question, but I will not be discussing all question, only 50 more I will be discussing. And ARD session is going on daily. I think on Sunday we conducted top 100 questions, and today also we discussed some second part of that lecture. So we have already discussed around 200 MCQs in thank you for your valuable feedbacks. And tomorrow also, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I will be discussing for more 50 questions, but agriculture related, ARD related questions are already there in our YouTube, and PDF of that we have uploaded in the course. Remaining questions PDF will be uploaded tomorrow. We will try to do most important MCQs. We will try to do most important MCQs maybe today or tomorrow. So thank you for the joining session, and follow this strategy for ESI. Definitely you can Because one more thing I will tell you, that maximum questions will be from the current affair. In ESI 40 questions are there, maximum from the schemes, budget, economic, this economic survey, current affair. 20 from GA, that is also again current affair plus some economy finance knowledge. 10 question in the ARD also from the current part you will find 10 question at least. So 70 questions are from the schemes, current affair, budget. So if you are weak in ARD, then you can also crack this exam if you are good in current affairs, schemes. And schemes always, as these ministries are always targeted. You will definitely find a scheme from the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, one scheme from the Finance Ministry, Tribal Affairs, Agriculture and Animal Husbandry Cooperation are important, Rural Development, Jal Shakti, MSME. If you will study these ministries' flagship schemes, you can easily crack this exam. GA, they generally ask the mixed question from all the topics. They can ask from any topic. So I will advise you at least do study for 2 months. So that will be enough for the GA. So thank you for today, and we will meet you soon again in live lecture. Thank you.